pen to paper lights more fire than matches ever will. Whether you know who wrote this code, kindly comment us. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Navi from penhouse.in. Today we are going to review Sheaffer Sagari model roller ball pen. First, I'll show you the pen. This is Sheaffer Sagari Metalllic silver featuring chrome plate trims, and this is a roller ball pen. Here is the pen. This overall body is made up of metal and it's just amazing, and it's a mid-weight pen, I think. So we'll review this pen. So in this video we are going to see the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. So before going to our video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. First, before reviewing this pen, we need to explore the box. So this pen came with a Sheaffer elegant gift box. So they have mentioned Sheaffer with the brand name and then logo. Now we'll open the box. They have mentioned Sheaffer here. So here is a pen, and they gave alternatively a spare of this refill. So it will come with a cap, and this is black in color. So instead of this branded refill, we can alternatively use Zinno or Smith refill. That spare is also available in penhouse.in, and it's very comfortable and elegant gift box. Now we'll review this pen. This is Sheaffer Sagari Metalllic silver featuring chrome plate trims, and here is a band. You can see here they have mentioned Sheaffer here. In this branded pens, they won't write the old name or logos, big logos. They'll keep a small symbol like this. And this clip, it's a user-friendly clip as usual. So we can easily insert this into the pocket. And here is the trim rings. Okay, now we'll see the construction of the pen and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this Sheaffer model roller ball pen. So that we are going to use this 1 year scale. It have a flat ending, 137.66 mm. I will remove the cap and check the length. It's 118.18 mm. Now I'll check the grip section diameter. It's 8.87 mm. Now we'll calculate the overall weight and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this pen, and I think this is a mid-weight pen. We'll check now. Yes, this is 31 gram and this is a mid-weight pen. Now I'll remove the cap and check the weight. It's a snap-on cap, and that cap carries 11 gram. Now we'll calculate the overall weight of this pen. It's 18 gram. Now I'll unscrew this and check the barrel part. It's 10 gram. The step including the grip section, it's 9 gram. And this grip section carries 5 gram, and this refill carries 5 gram. So equal weight both of the things. Now we'll back to our video. Now we did the construction of the pen, and this is a mid-weight pen and the usual length. Now look into the pen. It's a press-on cap and amazing grip section. There is a ring-like part here, and it's nice. It's not slippery. Now this is a medium tip with black color refill. This is a roller ball pen. We are unscrewing the refill part. Here is a refill. It's Sheaffer roller ball refill 2. It's made in Germany, and instead of this standard refill, we can alternatively use Zinno and Smith refills. That is also available in penhouse.in. Now we'll do the writing sample and back to our video. Now we are going to do the writing sample, so that we are going to write the code. First we have told that code. We are going to write that now. The snap-on cap. First, we are going to write penhouse.in. Wow, it's very dark and very amazing. This is black color. This is Sheaffer. There is medium tip. Now we are going to do the smoothing test. Wow, it's very smooth. It's very smooth and very dark, you can see here, and it's just amazing. It's in a correct flow. Whether you know who wrote this code, kindly comment us. Now we'll back to our video. Now we did the writing sample and it's just very amazing actually, and very smooth. I couldn't take off my hands from writing, and that code, we have wrote that code, and it's very smooth and very dark in color. Whether you want to purchase this pen, website link in the description, kindly see to it and purchase your order. And who all can use this pen? This is a medium tip, but school students, adults, office going, everybody can use this pen, and it's just amazing. Like this luxury pens we are using, we need to maintain it properly, like doing a proper repair works and services, and you need to carry a pouch for so that we can use this pen for a long time, otherwise it may have some more scratches. So we came to the end of the session. Whether Penhouse is only reviewing these types of videos and uploading, not at all. We are retailers and manufacturers. We are retailers of different brands like Sheaffer, Lamy, Cross, Parker, Zinno, Ratnam, Ranga, Hero, all branded pens. And we are also available, we are retailing all branded refills like spares, refills, cartridges and converters, nibs according to your pen size. We will suggest you some nibs, and according to your handwriting or holdings, we'll also suggest what type of pen will be comfortable for your hands and your handwriting. And we are manufacturing of our own branded pens like ballpoint pens, roller balls, and then fountain pens and handmade pens especially. And online orders also available, and you can directly visit our shop. It's in Tambaram, Solinganallur and in Velachery. And if you want to purchase in bulk order, we have a minimum card discount that is also available. You can purchase your order and enjoy your products. If you want to know all the categories of our products, link in the description, kindly see to it and enjoy your order. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay tuned with us. Tada, bye bye.